starting the day with a little dip in the lake.
And I'm planning to do that for the rest of the summer.
Well, it's definitely not the nicest weather considering it's summer, but I don't care.
The plan for today was to work around the van, put things in and out of it, but I noticed that my rear brakes made a weird noise. And the real problem is that they're pretty much done. I don't know if you can see the crevices in the disc. So now I need to measure everything to make sure that I order the right parts. Oh my God! Oh my God, what a piece of absolute garbage. Terrible design. See how deep this thing is? No? I think that I messed up a little bit, right?
35, 30,
305?
tak. Teraz mieszaj.
All right, we've measured everything. Now we need to put everything back on. All right, I worked enough around the van. I spent hours searching for parts on the internet for this thing and for the Golf. Now I'm going by the lake.
Dude, it doesn't work.
Sasha bought a crappy grill set, forgot to bring a lighter, so I had to go buy a lighter at the store. And the grill set is so crappy it wouldn't catch fire. But it's all okay because Sasha is a Scout Master Chief. Cool. We finished our little barbecue party, but I forgot to film the rest of it. So to say sorry, here's a Ferris wheel. Gee, I think that every morning is going to be a little bit gloomy like that. Look at those little ducks. Hi, it's me from the future. Yeah, I messed up the audio. I forgot to turn on my recorders. So now I'm going to try to explain what I was saying here. Basically, I said that today I was going to work on my Golf and that my rims are all messed up because the previous owner was not very careful. But that I found a guy 30 minutes away from where I live that was selling the exact same rims for 150 bucks. And that today I was going to go there and buy the rims. All right, back to the video.
I bought the wheels. They're in fairly good condition. Well, they're in better condition than the ones I have on right now. Well, the new ones have some scratches, but they're not as crazy as mine, so I'm happy. Anything better looking is better. All right. I'm back in my city. I think I've worked enough for today. It's time to go to the beach with Sasha.
See ya!
So Sasha left, and I went back to the beach. I think that tomorrow I'm gonna spend some time swapping my new wheels. And my dad suggested that we go to the car dump. I don't know how we say that in English. To see if they have like a Golf 3 I could take parts from. There's a lot of stuff to repair on this car, but it's mostly cosmetic.
Good morning. Jesus, this video is gonna be car repairs and me hanging out at the beach.
Alright, enough beach for this morning. Now I gotta go swap my wheels. I lost the lug nut. What the hell? It stayed in the other wheel. I'll get it. I was surprised to hear that most of my friends who own cars don't change their tires themselves. And it got me thinking, how many of you change their own tires? I think it's a very easy thing to do around your car, and it doesn't take a lot of time, and you don't really get your hands dirty, so yeah, I was just wondering. But maybe I'm surprised because I kind of like working around my car, and most people probably don't. But the thing is, I don't really consider this working around my car. This is just like regular maintenance. I forgot the rock in front of the car. Put the rock back under there. And now I'm gonna work on this side of the car. I know I should have left the car on the floor to unlug it, but I keep forgetting. Спасибо. Okay, the word I was looking for was scrapyard. We're going to the scrapyard. You only found a red one. They have a lot of stuff I'm looking for, so I'm pretty happy. And it's cheap. So I found a lot of stuff at the scrapyard, but everybody was stressed and I forgot to ask for a few other pieces. So I'm gonna have to go back, but they're closing for like 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. And there's some other parts that are not easy to find at the scrapyard, so I'm gonna have to find those on eBay or something, which is probably gonna be expensive. But what you gonna do? I'm just quickly gonna go inflate the tires on the car. All right, the front ones were okay, but the rear ones, oh my God, they were inflated to the max. Oy, 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 oy. We're taking advantage of that moment to fix the handbrake. Well, my dad's fixing it. Look at the old one. Merci, okay, merci. All right, my dad fixed the handbrake, and I think that that's enough work for today. I am exhausted, so I think I'm gonna go hang out at the beach a little bit. All right, so I think that that's it for my week. I am exhausted to the core. So I guess that I'll see you in a few days.